So what is SOP? Today we are going to talk a bit about SOP. Some might find difficult to write a better SOP. SOP stands for Statement of Purpose, and it plays a very vital role to fulfill your GT intrant requirement. It is required by colleges, universities, and even AHC, Australian High Commission as well. So, के कुरा mention गर्ने त SOP मा? For example, the must are personal introductions, academic qualifications, gap explanation. Gap explanation is the must. Likewise, purpose of visiting to Australia, why you choose these universities, financial capacity, career plans, and majorly the incentive of return in Nepal. यो कुराहरु सबैलाई आफ्नो independent research को थ्रुबाट हजुरले SOP मा मेन्सन गर्नुभयो भने then your SOP is good to go. And if you have any further queries regarding SOP, please comment down in our comment box below. If you need any further assistance, please do visit our AusStudies. Thank you.